Welcome. Okay, so today's video is about packaging and why I think it's super important and why it saves time and money. Right, so refurbished equipment is different from used equipment. Used equipment will come in bubble wrap, and as in the case of a customer who recently sent me a message and said, oh, can you send port protection? And I'm like, what's that? Okay, so you know where you get SFP ports, and they come with dust covers, and obviously we know why they should. They'll need dust covers, but our J45 ports don't. However, in this instance, a customer of ours has bought a switch from someone else, thought they were saving some money by doing that, and it's arrived, okay, with a bubble wrap round that way, and all the ports at this end of the switch completely smashed. Oh, these ports were damaged in places. So what has the customer lost? Well, one, he's lost 3 days of wasted time of waiting for the switch. 2, he has kissed goodbye to the shipping costs for that switch that he purchased in the first place by buying it just used. And 3, because the switch didn't have a high enough value in it to warrant repairing the damage. So it was a complete write-off. So where perhaps you might roll the dice and try and save a few pennies here and there by buying just plain used, and sometimes it works, but more often than not it doesn't. If you buy it refurbished, okay, sure, there's a little bit of added extra cost involved on the respraying. Sure, there is a bit of cost on the packaging, but what you're guaranteeing is there's no risk of wasted shipping charges. There's no risk of damage of the device, and to boot, you are getting a device that's professionally refurbished. It comes with all the rail kits, all the accessories. It's in a beautiful box. It's well protected. You will see, if you look from this angle over here and look along the line of sight here, you will see that this foam is protecting all the ports. Okay, you can see that there's space out the back, okay, enough clearance so that these very delicate fan modules, these handles break super easily. As you can imagine, they're not structural, so if the weight of a chassis hits a hard surface, these just break. This one goes on there like so, and there you go. So that will these little end caps, they protect the power supply handles, because the power supply handles, they get damaged as well. I mean, we do have the ability to repair in-house, but and as you can see, you've got a little space there for rail kit, rack kit, console kit, power cables, any other accessories. So we put this in there, okay, and I know that my team put the ports on the outer edge, because as you can see, if you look down there, you can see you've got plenty of padding and protection for those ports. And if you look down here, you can see you've got plenty of space and protection for those very delicate fan handles. And this switch is going out to customer very soon. Let's just close that there. There you go. One beautifully refurbished end-of-life Cisco switch that's going to arrive on site. There's no messing around. It's plug and play. The customer can get cracking. They're not going to be phoning up saying we've got damaged ports or the packaging is horrible. So I suppose the fourth thing, money that's been saved, is engineering time, which, to be quite frank, is, in my opinion, the most important cost saving of all. But anyway, there you go, gotta go. See you on the next one, bye.